Hi, my name is Tania Agathos, and I'd love to share my new listing with you in Cape Coral. The address is 2227 Southwest 54th Lane, and it's waterfront property, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and it's just spectacular. Come, walk with me. So this home is sold turnkey. It's just under 6,000 square feet total and is wonderful for a generational group looking to share in an investment, or just a very large family with lots of privacy. So the only thing you have to bring is your boat, and you could dock it on your 10,000-pound lift and enjoy these big water views along with your own tiki and a snook light for the evening entertainment. So you can have all of this just 25 minutes out to open water. Call me, Tania Agathos, at 239-292-2131 or visit my website, livinglifeinswfl.com. And if you'd like a CMA on your property, feel free to reach out. Thank you.